I'm gonna take a risk and beeline it for that island straight ahead.
Terrible idea, but fuck it.
I'll stop if you want. You want me to stop?
No, I'm not stopping.
Okay.
Fuck it. Might as well lose money on this game as well.
That's the spirit, lad.
My head actually hurts. Not even joking. This attachment's gonna spot us.
Might want to take a break.
Nah, fuck that shit.
I don't want you to be mad at this game all the time. I mean, it's not.
I am mad at this game every fucking time I jump on it. Quite literally every time I jump on it.
At some point, yes, but usually it starts off fun. But since I've been back, you've been really angry.
Well, I've been playing by myself for the last hour.
Ouch. Truth hurts.
Why are we actually doing this?
Why?
We're fucking idiots.
Well, see now he's...
Oh fuck me, I thought that was gonna be DDT. I was like, how the fuck they know? Almost killed myself.
I got that fucking moth, by the way. Fucking cook.
Can't wait to kill myself.
Hard left brakes, and I'm detected. Oh, it's a minnow. And I have no goddamn torps.
Smoke generator activated.
We can't run away, dude. Where are we running to?
I didn't write on.
Good thing we wasted all our torpedoes. Oh, wait. No, we didn't.
Smoke screen set.
Yes, shoot me! Why? Why me?
Are you kidding me?
Torpedoes astern.
Get the fuck out of my house.
Yes. I'm a fucking god.
I'm still detected by this part. Why did we do that? Oh, you're about to get locked up on. Who the fuck did he shoot at? You, okay.
I got What? 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 I can't hear you.
Like, I'm detected!
Back your ass up, man. Back your ass up.
Hi, Alaska, you're a dick. No one loves you.
See how much more fun it is when there's two of us?
We sank an enemy cruiser.
This rush rushing us, by the way.
Okay, keep backing up. Look at my smoke.
Fuck that shit, I'm pushing them.
Oh my god. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. You're gonna push me. Bismarck, wait for me.
Speedy boy. What the fuck are you doing here? Go away. Fuck off. Go away. Go away. Go away.
Oh yeah, baby.
Go
Die.
away. Can you stop stealing all my kills?
We
Thanks,
sank
actually.
an enemy destroyer.
What? I fucking bum rushed the fucking Minotaur. You tell me I'm stealing your fucking kills. Shut the
You
fuck
killed my
up.
steals, pussy.
You killed my steel.
No, I'm angry. No, no, no. Get away from me.
Jesus Christ.
Come here, pussy. Come here. Where are you? Show yourself. I want to die.
Pop your radar, cuck. Torp him, torp him, torp him.
Suck my fat willy. Pussy. Pussy. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Fight me.
Oh my fucking god, yes.
Radar Neptune for the win. Fuck you too, Diddy. Fuck you all.
This is fucking epic.
Go.
Oh my fucking
Fuck that, I'll go to your ass. Come here, pussy.
Oh my god. Okay, calm. Oh my god. Oh.
Get out of my house, pussy. Go away. This is my injection.
Has taken the lead.
I'll kill all of you. Look at your chat.
You like that?
I almost have a fucking Kraken by the way.
I know.
Kreml!
Oh my god, it's really windy here. If I suddenly vanish, my power went out. But oh my god. Oh, holy shit, snacks! This was fucking epic.
If I
Oh
took
my-
the Kreml, I can get 250k damage right now.
Yeah, but he's too far away.
Is that a challenge?
No. No, not definitely not a tornado. I live on the west coast though, so we get fucking. No, actually, the prairies provinces can get tornadoes, but generally speaking, we just get
Dicks.
the occasional hurricane force windstorms.
What? That's like 8 words in 2 seconds. Hello, rap god. What the fuck?
Hurricane force windstorms.
Yeah. What the fuck?
What?
Dude, I wish I had 10 kilometer torpedoes right now.
How do you not?
I have 8 kilometers, but they go like 68 knots.
Oh,
the
so
road
if I
speed
had
was-
those, I would have torped that minnow on the first that
Yeah.
salvo I had. But whatever. I still killed him.
I still could. I have a spoke, by the way, about a Russia Kreml. Wait for this gun say thing.
Fire tornadoes. That's fucking terrifying and exciting at the same time.
Oh yeah, it's fucking cool. I've seen them.
Hang on,
On
hang on, hang
point.
on. I'm gonna turn into you and smoke. You ready?
Yes.
Smoke's up.
I want to get 200k damage.
I know. I'm gonna back up. By the way.
Oh fuck, I stopped.
Well, don't worry, you're covered. I'm just saying I'm backing up so you can kind of.
He's not moving.
We're
He's not moving.
gonna touch tips and then I'm gonna back up.
Smoke screen set.
Oops. I will stop firing at people once he's almost dead. He quit. I think. Or is he backing up? No, he's backing up. Look at all those fucking. Oh my god. So why weren't we doing this earlier? Because I'm
I
on
don't know.
Scrumboard. Yeah, stop firing.
You got him though. You're gonna kill him.
No. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Fuck.
We
Henry.
destroyed an enemy battleship.
Come here, pussy. Want your ice cold fire? Your fire cock.
Oh my
Come on.
god, he got blapped.
I got 150, but I want more. I need more.
I only got 56 because
I'm a psychopath.
we were both kind of with full yellow there. Suddenly you're having a good time, yes?
I have accidentally spotted myself.
You
I
actually,
regret every decision. Their gearing is within 15 kilometers, if that helps. kind of.
Nope, because I have to go the long way around to get to you.
A radar, so he's more than 10.
Okay.
Hey look, there he is.
Cute.
I'm trying to get a Kraken right now.
I'm just not even gonna shoot. Well, I'm gonna shoot the fucking Gary because he's gonna get stopped. I won't kill
Victory
him.
is in sight.
Why are you stopping in smoke? While you're radared.
He's not radar
Dumb
anymore.
cock. Oh somebody had a radar.
I did.
Shoot the buffalo.
Yeah, I am.
Do it. Attaboy.
Did it.
Attaboy.
Victory is in sight.
So that's 10 kills between us, hey? Sorry, 9.
Jesus.
9.
What
No.
the fuck?
8. Sorry, 8. 8 kills. I can't math. I got so excited I couldn't math for a bit.
Come here, pussies.
Our team has taken the lead.
I don't care anymore. 170k damage. 5 kills.
Dude, you fucking... I haven't put a video on YouTube in a very long time. This match... This is going up on fucking YouTube. This is getting demoralized. My internet's... And shared in the fucking Discord, because this is fucking retarded. Like, seriously. This is ridiculous.
There's no way we should have won that flank and win the game.
Well, I think the Minotaur was just like, what the fuck?
Yeah,
Like, what do you do? 2 of us charging him, like, full YOLO? What do? You pick one and hope you kill one.
me after he torqued you,
Yeah.
but I killed him. I citadelled him right before he did. Oh. A Kraken. My first Kraken and a fucking Neptune. No, second Kraken, my Neptune. Definitely second. That psychopath rush of the Bismarck he got caught him off guard 100%.
Yep.
He was not expecting me to rush him out like a fucking animal. To start screaming.
You were screaming.
Best part is my dad's home and it's like midnight. Get booked.
Well, explain to your dad that you were just practicing for the Navy.
I better get some good XP off this game.
Dude, are you kidding me?
I got 8k, 9k. And I got the Jaguar. Oh, 2,600 base.
Dude.